Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Reactor Nuclear Packing Puzzle Expansion Set, Thorium. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So, this is an expansion for the nuclear reactor puzzle. We have this piece here, and we're putting these pieces in here. The big crux of this puzzle is we got these longer ones with these colored tips, and they have magnets in them, and the deeper holes where they fit also have magnets. So if you put them in the wrong hole, they will repel, which isn't what we want. We want them to hold in, attract to their spot, like so. And you can tell because you can't drop the piece out. As said, this is an expansion for it, so you have to get yourself the main puzzle, and then you can get this one and get another puzzle with it. So, to begin with the solution, we'll take this piece here, this like 8-bit leg, and we will put it in here, like so. This one's tricky because none of these pieces really super fit together, and that can lead to a lot of confusion. I think that's the most difficult part of this one. So we'll take this longer piece, kind of like a cat leg, and we'll put it up here and kind of nest it like so. And this is kind of what I mean. It doesn't really perfectly form that shape. We'll take this piece, put it like so. We'll take this piece here and put it in our corner. We'll take this piece here, this like garbage bag, put it in here. We'll take this piece here, put it there, another leg piece, put it right in our corner, and then our final piece, this little house or whatever, like so. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.